Welcome to Pressure Crisp, everyone. Today we're going to be doing some prepared foods using the Ninja Foodi. Somebody on YouTube requested that somebody to do it. He happened to be on my channel and requested that to make packaged foods in the Ninja Foodi. I'm going to start off with packaged stuff. Like today, I'm going to be making Kraft macaroni and cheese. And let's just get started. So to start this, you're going to open up your lovely box of macaroni and cheese. You're going to take this cheese packet out. And all you're going to do, you're just going to take this, pour it right into the Ninja Foodi. And you're also going to go ahead and you're going to add 2 cups of water to this. What I like to do is just give this a stir, just to make sure all the pasta is coated with a little bit of the water. To this, we're going to go ahead and add the pressure lid. There we go. Make sure it's set to seal. You're going to hit pressure, high. And the time, you're going to drop this down. Now, I've made this several times in this Ninja Foodi. If you want the macaroni to be al dente, do it for 3 minutes. If you want your pasta well done, do it for 4 minutes. I'm going to do 4 minutes because that seems to be what everybody likes. And just go ahead and hit start. It cooked for the 4 minutes. We're going to do a quick release. Okay, so the red tab is dropped in the back. We're going to go ahead and remove the lid. Once again, be careful. It's going to be hot. Open it away from you and watch for the dripping water. Take that spatula. Just going to give the pasta a stir. Oh yeah, look at that. There's barely anything to strain out of here. I thought I was going to have to strain this. Just to let you know, shut the Ninja Foodi off so it stops the cooking process. Yeah, there's no water. The last time I had to strain out a little bit of water. This time, no water. So to this, I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to go ahead and add 4 tablespoons of butter. That's a lot of butter. And we're going to take that lovely package of dehydrated cheese. Oh yeah, look at that. Pour that in, and we're just going to stir this all up. And that's how quick and easy that macaroni and cheese from a box can be made in this Ninja Foodi. So show your kids how to do this. Have them sit and watch the video. Simple, easy. The only dangerous part would be removing the lid. And this is it. Look at that. So I'm going to stir this up and we're going to give this a taste. Okay, let's get this taste test started. Here's what it looks like. Delicious boxed macaroni and cheese. But here goes that taste test. I haven't had this probably like a year. Macaroni and cheese is cooked perfectly. 4 minutes on high. Perfect. Then a quick release. Sometimes you have to strain it and then sometimes you don't. This time I didn't. I made it like 2 days ago and I had to strain the pasta. Just a little bit because I didn't want it super soupy. Super soupy. Say that 5 times fast. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody out there. I appreciate everyone leaving the comments. And stay tuned for more packaged and prepared foods and also terrific homemade recipes in your Ninja Foodi.